Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software
developed by Adobe Inc. It's widely used in the film, TV, and video production industry. Video editing. Premiere Pro allows users to edit videos by arranging and trimming clips on a timeline. It supports a wide range of video formats and resolutions. Timeline. The timeline is where you arrange and edit your video clips. You can add multiple tracks for video, audio, text, and effects. Effects and transitions. Premiere Pro offers a variety of effects, transitions, and presets to enhance your videos. These can be used to adjust colors, add filters, apply special effects, and more. Audio editing. You can edit audio tracks alongside video, adjusting levels, applying effects, and synchronizing audio with video clips. Integration. Premiere Pro integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition, allowing for a comprehensive post-production workflow. Multi-camera editing. The software supports multi-camera editing, allowing you to edit footage from multiple cameras simultaneously, commonly used for events or interviews. Color correction. Premiere Pro provides advanced color correction and grading tools, enabling you to adjust the look and feel of your video. Exporting. It supports a wide range of export formats and presets for different platforms, making it easy to share your videos online, on TV, or in theaters. Collaboration. Adobe offers collaboration features, enabling multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, even if they're in different locations. Learning curve. While it offers powerful features, Premiere Pro can be complex for beginners. Adobe provides extensive tutorials and resources to help users learn and improve their skills. System requirements. Premiere Pro requires a relatively powerful computer with a capable graphics card and sufficient RAM for smooth video editing. Subscription model. Adobe uses a subscription-based model for its Creative Cloud suite, including Premiere Pro. Users pay a monthly or annual fee to access the software and updates. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today. I hope you enjoyed diving into the world of Adobe Premiere Pro as much as I did. If you found this video informative, entertaining, or just downright enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on any future videos where we'll continue to explore Adobe Premiere Pro and much more.